You certainly are hard to get rid of. See that?
Toothbrush. It's me, I'm right here. Come back to me.
He's not yours anymore. He belongs to the Alpha. But please, oh great dragon master, try to take it. Second time.
It wasn't your fault, but they made me do it. You'd never hurt him. I'm here! Stop! Hang on! Almost there, buddy, almost there! We need to get those two apart. Gotta block them out too. Do you trust me? You can do this. You and me. As one. That's it. Now let's try this one more time. Go get him.
Get control of it!